Welcome friends. In this section we are going to cover points, and it is also widely known as lead score by marketeers. Now not every lead is going to be a customer, meaning if you're 1000 subscriber, not everyone is going to be your customer. So for that we need to have an automation. Automation help you identify hot leads based on their engagements, whether they are opening your email, whether they are clicking on the links, whether they are revisiting your website, etc. So this is what your automation tracks, and then they identify hot leads. Now this will help you allocate your costly resources like manpower, and they are calling, your executives are visiting them. So this will help you allocate your costly resources on highly interested leads, or in other words, get in touch with hot leads first, who are more likely to convert into customer. So based on engagement, you can define lead scoring so that you are contacting to the leads those who are more interested in your products and more engaged with your emails, with your websites, with your landing page, etc. So for that, we recommend you to add point or lead score in your automation software. So if someone visits your website or landing page before or after filling the opt-in form, you add 1 point. If someone fills the form, you add 5 points. If someone opens your email, add 2 points. And if someone downloads an asset, or maybe your ebook, or maybe any other document you had sent to them, if they download that, add 3 points. So this is the engagement we recommend. You can have any points. There is no thumb rule. If someone visits website, you can have 100 points. If someone fill the form, you can have 500 points. It's up to you. But again, 1, 2, 3 and 5 are the points that everyone remembers. And if you give 100 points over here, and if that visitor has visited 50 different pages or maybe multiple times, then you will have a lead score of 5000. That is very difficult to measure. So this is what we recommend and we personally use for our systems. So let us log into our digital marketing machine and then go to marketing automation. And to define points or lead score, you need to go to points from the left panel, and here you will see manage actions. So click on manage actions to define lead score or points, and then hit on plus new, and then you need to add the name. Now let us say web page visit. So if someone visits your website, you need to add points. So this is the recommended lead score. If someone visits a web page or URL, add 1 point. So here we'll go for 1. So web page visit, add 0.1, and you need to define a condition that visit a landing page or visit a specific URL. You need to define. Now landing page is something different. In this automation software also, there is a landing page that we have removed or temporarily disabled because we have more advanced landing page options, drag and drop option available. So visits a specific URL, and then I'll hit my domain, that is https // and then magnetmarketing.io. This is also your website structure. If your website is there in our website builder, https then : then / magnetmarketing.io, that is the domain name, and then again / and then you need to hit star. So star will track all the pages that are on this particular domain, but make sure you have added the tracking script that we had provided to you. Now here you can define more advanced point system, that if someone visits your website or web pages 5 times within a particular hours, or return after particular hours, or total number spent, etc. So you can define, but as of now I don't need that. And then I'll click save and close. Now one more thing you need to define for your funnel or landing page as well. Landing page visits, then 0.21, and here I will suggest to go for 0.2 because landing page is something that is not made available publicly. So landing pages are based on funnels. So if someone is actually in your funnel, they'll be able to see landing page. And website is general, anyone can go to your website and surf multiple pages. So that is not the actual engagement, and yes, it is an engagement, but we'll give 1 point. And if someone visits our landing pages or funnel pages or sales pages, I'll give them points +2. And then visit a specific URL, and here you need to define HTTPS. And then for funnel, by default we have funnel dot your domain name and then slash and then star. So again, it will track each and every links or pages in this subdomain. Now by default we provide you funnel.magnetmarketing.io, but if you have pointed any other subdomain with different than funnel, let us say pages.yourdomain.com or trial.yourdomain.com or demo.yourdomain.com, so you need to just provide the URL and slash and star. Don't forget to mention HTTPS, because all our websites, all our web pages have SSL pre-installed. So this is the again one more benefit you have. And again save and close. After that, form filled 5 points. So again plus new, form submitted +5. When submits a form. Now if you want to limit to particular forms, you can select, and if you want to add 5 points to the subscriber if he fills any of your form, then leave it blank and then save and close. Then next is email open, 2 points. So plus new, email open +2. You can have description if you want. Then opens an email, and again if you want to limit this scoring to specific emails, you can select. And if you want to add +2 points to each and every email opened, and that's what we recommend, you can leave it as blank and save and close. After that, download an asset like your ebook or any document you have sent in your email. So +3, because that is what they are highly engaged, opening your email and again clicking onto the links and downloading the asset. So assets downloaded and +3 points. You can have any point you want, but this is what we recommend. Then download an asset. Again you can limit to specific assets, but I'll recommend leave it as blank and then save and close. So friends, this was all about adding lead score or points to your automation system. In the next session we will understand that how you can use these points to trigger any automation or any actions. This concludes our session. Thank you very much.